Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch Fit 5, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to uninstall applications from this watch. So let's get started. So if you want to uninstall applications from your watch, you can do it in two ways. The first way is to do it directly on the watch, and the other way is to do it through the HUAWEI Health application on the phone that is paired with your watch. And I'm going to show you both ways. The first way to do it, and the most or the quickest one is the directly on the watch. You basically wake up the screen on your watch, press the crown button to open the menu, you find the icon of the app you want to remove, and then press and hold on it. Come on, press and hold. And once you press and hold on it, you will see the uninstall option. You can tap on it and then tap on the check mark to confirm, and the app will be removed. Not every app is removable though, so be aware of that, because if you press and hold on some of the applications, the uninstall option won't appear. And to do it through the phone application, you open the HUAWEI Health, you go to the devices, select your HUAWEI Watch Fit 5, you find the option called AppGallery and tap on it. And here you need to find the manager option, tap on it, installation manager, and right here we have the list of applications installed on our watch. And you can uninstall applications by tapping on uninstall button next to them, or by tapping on select multiple if you want to remove multiple ones, and then select them and tap on uninstall. I'm just gonna uninstall one, tap on yes, and the app will be removed from our watch in a few seconds. So if we open the menu, the icon should be gone at this point. Yeah, it is. Okay, and that's how you uninstall applications from this watch. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.